Well, in the previous lecture, you had already formed a set of batsmen and bowlers, that is a small cricket team for us. So what we had done? We had done A union B, uniting the set of batsmen and bowlers for our cricket team. Now if I ask you, is the set A of batsmen a subset of your team? Now what is a subset? A subset is a set contained in another set. A set of batsmen is contained in our team. So this is a subset of our team. That is, A is the subset of A union B. The set of batsmen belongs to our team. So A is a subset of A union B. Now what about set of bowlers? Is the set of bowlers a subset of your team? Now what does your team consist of? Set of batsmen and a set of bowlers. So a set of bowlers is also a part of your team. So we can say that B is also the subset of A union B. So what can we conclude here? Just like the set of batsmen is a set of your team, in the same way the set of bowlers is also a subset of your team. So A is a subset of A union B as well as B is the subset of A union B. Well, let's check whether it works out here. Here A is the first 5 letters of English alphabet and B is the 5 vowels of English alphabet. We have represented this in the Venn diagram. Now what is A union B? Find it out. You know very well how to find out A union B. Well, A union B is a set of all distinct elements in A and B. So we have made this Venn diagram for you. Now let's check what we had checked for our team. We had checked whether A was the subset of A union B. So here, let's check. A. What is A? A, B, C, D and E. For a set to be a subset, each element of A should be there in this set. Check. A, B, C, D and E. Well, all the elements of A are present in the set of A union B. So we can say that A is a subset of A union B. Just like the set of batsmen belong to our team. Now what we will check? Check that whether B is a subset of A union B. Do it yourself. Well, B has the letters A, E, I, O and U. All these letters must be present in this set so that B is a subset of this set. A, E, I, O and U. Well, all the elements of B are present in A union B. So we can say that B is also a subset of A union B. Here you can see that we are adding A and adding B, that is adding the elements of A and B. So B will always be present in the set of A union B. In the same way, when we are doing A union B, we are adding the elements of A and B. So A has to be there if we are doing A union B, otherwise how will we get A union B? So we can conclude that for any sets A and B, A will be the subset of A union B and B will be the subset of A union B. Both of them will be the subsets of A union B. As how we are getting A union B? We are getting them by the merger of A and B. So A has to be there in A union B and B has to be there in A union B. Now answer this. Which of the following is the subset of set of doctors in a hospital? Tell me the answer. Well, the set of doctors in a hospital may be a set of female doctors and a set of male doctors, and the set of doctors in a hospital will be both set of male doctors as well as set of female doctors. So what are the subsets of this set? Set A of male doctors, well, it is a subset of the set of doctors. Well, let's draw it. This is a set of male doctors and this is a set of female doctors. Now this is the set of complete doctors in our hospital. So set A of male doctors. This is a subset of this set. So this is a subset. Now set B of female doctors. Now set of female doctors is a set of doctors in the hospital. So this is also a subset. So what do we get? That both set A and set B are subsets of set of doctors in the hospital. Well, none of them is not true, as the set of doctors is completely made of male doctors and female doctors. So what do we get the answer as? Both set A and B are the subsets of the set of doctors in the hospital.